Today we are going to learn prepositions definition. Prepositions are words that show relationship between noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence. They indicate location, directions, time, movement, and manners. Types of prepositions: words of location, words of direction, words of time, words of movement, words of manner. The first one is words of location. And the book is in the box. On, the picture is on the wall. At, meet me at the hotel. By, the park is by the river. Under, the ball is under the table. The second one is words of direction. To, she's going to Lahore. From, we are coming from park. Up, go up the stairs. Down, come down from the stairs. Through, walk through the garden. The third one is words of time. At, meet me at 3 o'clock. On, my birthday is on June 12th. During, I will see you during the break. Before, finish your work before dinner. After, let's go out after the lunch. The next is words of movement. To, I am traveling to Lahore. From, I am flying from America. Through, the train goes through the tunnel. Across, swim across the lake. Over, jump over the portal. The next and last one is words of manner. By, I will get there by bus. With, I will go with my friends. In, write your name in ink. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe the channel.